good morning for me here. Now this is a morning, and good afternoon and good evening for you. I hope you are fine. I am very good here this morning, and the sun shines brightly, and everything is good with me today, and I hope you are good too. And today, oh yeah, because this is what is it? We are now in the transitioning time after being locked down for several months, a few months. Then we are now transitioning to the new normal. And one thing I really miss at the moment is beach. I really want to go to the beach, but I don't know. Maybe I will make plan to go to the beach. Okay, because I miss going to the beach, and that's why today I want to draw something from the beach, something from the sea, that is jellyfish. Okay, I watch it. I saw jellyfish several times when I went to the beach, but they are not. What is it? They were not alive. They were dead because they were in the beach, in the shore, not really in the sea. And I went online and found some pictures of jellyfish, and I think I can do it. So I will make it very simple because I am a beginner, and I think you, or maybe you are also a beginner and you need to know how to draw a jellyfish. Okay. You know, sometimes when you see the picture of real jellyfish and drawing real jellyfish, that is different, right? So you cannot really draw what you see. So that's why sometimes when you see others show you how to draw something in a simple way, it helps. And this is what I do now, what I am doing now. Okay, now let's go with jellyfish. If you see jellyfish, they look like umbrella, right? The head or the body. So that's what I will draw today. So I will draw something like this. It looks like an umbrella, right? Okay, I hope it's good enough. Then I will do, oh, I think I need to use pencil. Okay, red. Let me use another. Okay, so I will draw a curve, an umbrella curve like this. Then I will draw something, other curves, which makes the umbrella look like bean, right? It looks like bean. Then I will draw another curve here. Okay, I'm sorry for that. It's okay, but I will do it like this. It's just the helping lines, some helping lines for you to draw it. Okay, oops, sorry. Okay, I think, okay, this is the basic shape. When you can do it, I think this is good. Or I want to make it like a little bit. Okay, so this is my basic shape. Then it has tentacles. Jellyfish, they have tentacles, but I see that actually there are two kinds of tentacles. The big one, it's like in the middle here, and some other smaller ones. So I will draw some big, oh, maybe it will not be enough. Okay, I will just show you how I make it so you can give some like, so they have like some, what is it, some blob like this. This is for the tentacles in the middle, yeah, not the smaller ones. Okay, I make it shorter because this is, I don't have enough space here, but you can see it later in my drawing. how I really draw it, so please don't skip it, just watch it until the end. Here, so you have it. Then you have lots of space here to draw the pattern, and they have something like this. This is the inside part, yeah. Okay, so here it is. You have a jellyfish. Basically, this is a jellyfish. You have these tentacles. Then you need this is the bigger tentacle. Then you need the smaller tentacle. I can draw it. Okay, it will be about like this. I have not put the pattern here, but I believe that it will be much more nicer, better to look at when it has pattern. So this is the basic shape of the jellyfish I will make. I hope you watch my video how I draw it later with some pattern, and I hope you like it and you get inspired to draw it. Okay, thank you very much for visiting me again. Keep watching the video until the end, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you. Okay everyone, this is my jellyfish, Zentangle inspired jellyfish. I hope you like it and you get inspired. If you want to draw it, I will be very happy. Or moreover, if you want to show it to me, I will also be very happy. Thank you very much for being with me in this short period of time, and I will see you again in my next videos. See you!